All right, what's up? What's going on? Welcome to the course. I go by Ever J Music, and I'm along with my co-instructor, Muggs a Million, gonna really shift your mindset in this course to a winning mindset. For the longest time, you know what I'm saying? I know you've probably gone through this where you've been battling back and forth with, you know what I'm saying? Am I gonna really make it in this industry or not? Am I really going to live my dreams or not? Because, you know what I'm saying, maybe you're working a job that you hate, and all you want to really do is make music and get paid from it and have the freedom to live your dreams and really do what you were put on this earth to do, fulfill your purpose. So that's what this course is really about. And we're giving you music licensing as a vehicle. Just one way to get to this place of having the freedom to every day get up and live your dreams. Again, I'm Ever J Music. Me and Muggs, that's what we do every single day. Every single day, we get up and we're able to live our dreams. Not clocking into a clock. And we don't say that to boast or brag or any of that stuff. But we want to just inspire you that you are here for a reason, and you are on purpose going to go to the next level. And so I want you to just take a second and make it up in your mind that this is the last day that you're going to live in the past, bruh. Living no longer are you going to live in the past. So let's go ahead and get into what this course is all about. Again, this course is motivational. This course is inspirational. You know what I'm saying? We're putting you in that environment, putting you in that mindset of the music industry. We're going to break down some of the lies that people have told you and clear some things up for you as far as the business side of things, because there's a lot of people have said or maybe painted a picture that you cannot make money in the music industry, or that you got to sell your soul, or you got to cop out, or you got to do this, or you got to do that. No, there are some practical things you can do, just like in any other career field, that you can do to make money. And let me tell you something. This is a secret. Music licensing is the key. It's going to be a major vehicle in the future. So you might want to go ahead and hop on this bus right now, because it's going somewhere. That's where the music industry is going. Okay? So we're breaking this thing down for you in this course. Get your notebook out. Get a piece of paper out. Don't waste no more time playing games. You know what I'm saying? Turn everything else off. Because this is a serious course, man. Because this is going to help you actually get paid. It's going to help you get placements, build credibility. You know what I'm saying? So we're going to go over the business. We're going to go over, you know what I'm saying? We're going to go over the business. We're going to go over how to get your music up to, industry quality standards. Give you some resources, teach you how to make some meaningful connections and who to get connected to. And no, this is not going to happen overnight. It can, but let me just kind of break it down for you, though. Literally, there's something called a sync fee, and you can get money, upfront money. I'm talking about real money, thousands of dollars for getting your music placed in a TV episode or even a film, a show, a movie. And then you get some back-end money. I mean, that's residual. That comes in every quarter. So listen, it's time to stop playing games, and that's what we're here to help you do, and is really take authority over your life, take authority over your career, and actually let's go ahead and make this money for real. Let's go ahead and really live our dreams. Let's go ahead and really get some placements. We got placements. You know what I'm saying? In the next lecture, we're going to share a little bit more about ourselves, our background, and everything like that. We're here to help you and answer any questions along the way. So please, without further ado, let's go ahead and take this thing serious and get into this information, man. I'm telling you, this is a gold mine. You don't want to miss not even 1 second of this information, because it's going to really help you go to the next level. Thanks for watching. Let's go to the next lecture.